Welcome back to Krisha and Kisa's YouTube channel.
For today's video, atin namang pag-uusapan ang isa sa pinaka-importanteng good habit ng isang student. Yan ang cleanliness.
Mas focus tayo sa schoolwork, hindi nakakadistract ang kalma.
Tama, kapag clean and organized ang isang classroom, mas komportable ang lahat. Respeto yun sa teacher, classmate, at sa sarili mo.
Practice din ang pagiging clean sa sarili. Taking bath every day, wash hand before eating, at always wear clean uniform.
Hindi lang ito para maganda tingnan, kundi para rin sa kalusugan mo.
If we want to be proud of our community or school, we must take part in keeping it clean. Join cleanup drives, encourage others to dispose of waste properly. Small actions, when done consistently, create a big difference.
So always remember mga kaibigan, cleanliness is truly a key part of a good student practice.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you!